Don't have FPS and ping counter in Valorant? Hi there! If you can't see FPS or ping while playing Valorant, here's how you can add them on your screen. First, open the game and enter the lobby. Now click on the gear icon located on the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings. You'll be taken to the General tab by default. Go to the video. Here you will find 3 different tabs: General, Graphics, Quality, and Stats. Click on Stats. Now to enable FPS counter, turn on the client FPS option by clicking on the either text only, grabs only, or show both. And to enable the ping counter, just scroll down a bit and turn on the network RRG jitter option the same way before. That's it. You should now be able to see your FPS and ping while playing Valorant. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button. And if you have still any question, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.